Hi, I'm Jenny Lee Hodgins, a pianist, composer, music educator, poet, author, and creative empowerment coach. I've helped thousands of music students, creatives, and burned out individuals rebuild creative trust, restore energy, and reignite their joy. My work draws from 4 decades of Buddhist practice and a lifelong career in creative education and performance. If you're feeling burned out, blocked, disconnected, or creatively curious, especially if you're exploring, reigniting, or struggling to focus on your creativity, I'm here to help you rebuild trust in your unique creative process so you can move forward with clarity, self compassion, and a sense of creative alignment. My Creative Empowerment Sampler offers encouragement and tools from my full Creative Empowerment Coaching Program. Creativity isn't a luxury, it's a vital, renewable source of energy, healing, and joy. Explore more and get your Creative Empowerment Sampler at yourcreativechord.com/get inspired here.